We now finally have the return of IFA in Berlin, Germany. All that being good, we were more interested to see what new showcases and products Samsung brings this time around, and it looks like they are ready to complete their Odyssey gaming display lineup with a new curved OLED model. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our brief first look at the Odyssey GA-OLED 34-inch gaming monitor here at IFA 2022. Taking a first look at the Odyssey GA-OLED, what's special about this monitor is that this is Samsung's first OLED-based gaming monitor. This is of course based on their breakthrough QD-OLED panel technology we first saw at CES 2022, and is said to bring benefits of OLED and also the color accuracy and brightness and reliability of quantum dot. The GA-OLED is using a 1800R curved frame with a 3440 by 1440p resolution, a 21:9 aspect ratio with a QHD plus panel in the ultra wide variety. Ports and input wise, the GA-OLED is using a micro HDMI 2.1 port, mini DisplayPort 1.4, a USB-C, and 5-watt stereo speakers built in. Samsung are also boasting a very low 0.1 millisecond response time with a high refresh rate at 175Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium adaptive tech, no mention yet of NVIDIA G-Sync, but we do assume that come the final release, it should be available. VESA Display HDR 400 certification and 99.3% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Samsung's 2022 Gaming Hub interface makes a surprise addition to the GA-OLED, which, like we showcased very recently, enables cloud gaming services such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, and Google Stadia for a more instantaneous gaming experience from the cloud without the need to install games. Taking elements from their smart TV lineup, Samsung's Smart Hub with access to services like Amazon Prime and Netflix is also here with remote control functionality, just like what we saw with the Smart M8 monitor, and also integration with SmartThings. Also found at the back of the display is Samsung's Rgb Lighting System for their Odyssey display, known as the Core Lighting Plus, which they are saying has been upgraded for the GA-OLED. You do also have a height adjustable stand with tilt functionality for better ergonomics and viewing experience. My initial and very brief thoughts and opinion on the GA-OLED is that although I much do prefer a flat display design, it is great to finally see the QD-OLED display tech finally make its way over to the gaming side of products for Samsung. And of course, the initial first take of the experience with it is that the image quality is very good and the display overall is very immersive. No details or mention of pricing at this current time. Samsung is saying that the GA-OLED will be available in different regions starting from Q4 of 2022. Are your eyes set on the GA-OLED? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.